What if I told you cheating doesn't begin with a kiss or a secret night out? By the time it gets there, it's already been happening for a while. Quiet signs, small shifts, stuff most men brush off, and that's how it slips through. This isn't a story, it's a breakdown. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 5 clear signs, not guesses, not theories. Real behavioral changes that show up before everything falls apart. If you catch them early, you save yourself months of confusion and regret. Miss them, and you're stuck asking questions after it's already over. So stay with me, because by the end of this, you'll know exactly what to watch for, and why most men never see it coming. Number 1. Emotional distance shows up first. Not all at once, slowly, quietly. The energy changes. The good morning texts feel colder. Conversations get shorter. Replies feel forced. The little things fade. She stops checking in, stops teasing you, stops laughing at stuff she used to love about you. When you walk into the room, she doesn't light up anymore. Sometimes she avoids eye contact. She's there, but she's not really there, like she already left, just didn't pack yet. Women move emotionally first. So when cheating is coming, her feelings usually leave before her body does. Creating distance helps her justify what she's doing. It's not because she's tired, it's not stress, it's guilt mixed with detachment. When someone pulls away emotionally, it's often because they're putting that energy somewhere else, and once someone else fills that space, you start feeling heavy, like effort, like an obligation. And this is only the first crack. Number 2. Her time stops making sense. Suddenly she's busy all the time. Late work, random plans, new routines you weren't part of before. Errands that take forever. You ask how her day went and get nothing answers. It was fine. Nothing much, same words, different days. The details disappear. Most cheaters don't tell big lies. They stretch time. They blur details. They keep things just normal enough, so you stop asking. You'll hear stuff like, I lost track of time. My phone died. I needed space. Don't rush to accuse. Just observe. Patterns talk. Stories don't, 3 hours out, and nothing to show for it. Sure, maybe traffic was wild, or maybe something else was happening. The point isn't sarcasm, it's awareness. Number 3. Reality starts flipping. This is where it messes with your head. She starts picking fights over small things. She accuses you of being distant, insecure, controlling. Even though her behavior caused those feelings, somehow everything becomes your fault. You start apologizing when you didn't even do anything. That's gaslighting. It shifts guilt away from her and drops it on you. Over time, it makes you doubt your instincts. And when you stop trusting yourself, betrayal hits twice. First from what she did, then from you ignoring your own awareness. You notice something off. You ask a question. Suddenly, you're the problem. Confusing on purpose. That confusion buys her time. Number 4. Guilt shows up as affection. This part throws a lot of men off. She suddenly becomes extra nice. More affection, more compliments, more effort. Gifts, date, ideas, sweet messages, but it feels forced, like she's trying too hard. That's overcompensation. Guilt doesn't always pull away. Sometimes it smothers. Being extra loving helps her feel less bad about what she's doing. It's not growth. It's balance. She's trying to cancel out guilt with kindness. Don't let sudden affection blind you to earlier distance. If the switch was overnight, it's not healing. It's covering. Number 5. She ends it, or pushes you to, this is the final move. She starts talking about space breaks needing time, or she creates non-stop conflict until you walk away. That way she doesn't feel like the villain. She gets to say, it just didn't work. She might sabotage things, weaponize your insecurities, start fights she knows won't be fixed. And when you finally leave, she plays hurt. That's not accidental. That's strategy. Don't beg. Don't negotiate. Someone who already left emotionally won't come back honestly. The calm move. Let go clean. No drama. No chasing. Silence says enough. So why do men miss this? Because love filters reality. Because hope feels better than suspicion. Because cheaters don't look evil. They still smile. Still say goodnight. Still play the role until they don't. Awareness isn't paranoia. It's clarity. Watch actions, not excuses. A smart man doesn't react emotionally. He notices. He steps back and he walks away with self-respect intact. If this hit closer than expected, share it with someone who needs to hear it. Truth can hurt. Ignoring it hurts worse. Stay steady. Stay aware. Stay sharp.